Sometimes, no matter how many jobs you have or how much you're working, it just isn't enough. Everyone needs a little extra money, and if you are here today, then I know you are ready and willing to work for it. Maybe you don't have enough time or skills to have a conventional job, or maybe having a boss just isn't your thing. Today, we will be giving ideas on how to make real money online. These are legit ways to make money from your computer. Hello, and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. Here we are today to talk all about the ways of making money online that really work. I've done a lot of research on the best payouts, the easiest, and even the ones that are simply just worth your while. And today, I am here to tell you all about it. After watching, I hope that you will find something that fits best for you. All right, so the first idea I have to share is one of the best if you are willing to do it. The upfront work to create it could really pay off once you get the hang of it, and it can be a great source of passive income. So the first idea is e-commerce. So you would buy an item in bulk at a discounted price, and then you would sell it online at a retail price. So it seems like a lot, but even if you don't have a lot of space to store your products, you can still do this because there are fulfillment services that can take care of the storage and shipping. If you can really get it going, there is a lot of potential for growth. A lot of people use Alibaba.com to find their products for cheap. In this video, I am not going to be telling you the step-by-step process on how to do this. There are a lot of YouTube videos, and if you Google it, you can find more information on how to make this idea work. Even if it looks difficult, I think this is a legit way to make money online. However, it is basically like starting your own business. Starting your own business has some of the largest potential of earnings. Even if you don't have much money to start up something like this, you can always start small and grow from there. Another online gig that again takes some effort but has real potential is actually online blogging. I know it seems like an older idea, but some bloggers are still making over six figures. The real trick to this, though, is that you really need to target your blog on one real topic that you have a lot of passion for. General blogs that have lots of different topics really don't do well. Sticking to one direction with your blog is the most important. So your first step would be to find a topic that you really like or have a passion for. Then you will need to find outside resources to drive traffic to it. So once you figure out how to get some good traffic to your website, you can monetize your blog where you can get paid per 1,000 views to your blog. Mediavine is a good source to monetize your blog, and you can have ads on your blog that really generate money. Imagine if you get 100,000 people to your blog, you can make about $1,000 to $5,000 a month. Once again, there are lots of instructions online or on YouTube that will help you with the steps and tips to do this. But I am here today just to give you some ideas and get your mind going to find what fits best for you and your lifestyle. Also, not to mention, you can also earn money using YouTube. This is probably one of the best ways to make money online, but it might not be a great use of your time unless you are really good and fast at editing videos. Luckily, it has gotten easier over the last few years, and you can get paid for less views and get monetized with less subscribers. However, you still need to make a lot of videos and come up with the topics, and it takes a lot of time and effort on your part. There are other ways to make money online that are faster, but it might not have the same potential of income as making money on YouTube or any of the other ideas that I am talking about today. Just to give you an idea on how much money you can make, for example, if you have a video that gets about 100,000 views, it can make you $1,000. If you have 5 of those, it can get to 5,000 a month, etc. It's also another way to make a form of passive income with a little bit of video work and editing. But really, what you need are videos that you are able to search so that your videos pop up. Otherwise, your videos won't be seen and you won't get your count viewed. Just like blogging, you will need to find something that people will like to read and that you are passionate about. There are so many topics for channels, and you can easily search and find which are the most popular channels that get the most views. There's a lot of information online on how to monetize your channel and make the most out of your YouTube channel. Okay, another online idea is to be a Fiverr seller. There are all kinds of jobs you can find in Fiverr. Some of the ideas are graphic designs, ghostwriting books, writing articles, and more. It might have the reputation of being a side job, but honestly, you can make some real money if you have some natural talents or skills in any of the areas that it offers. Also, if you are quick at your skills, then you can work quickly and sell more of your services. And the best thing about working for Fiverr is that you can just stay at home and work from your computer. So if you need to get some extra cash, this might be a great option for you. Once again, I am not going to give you the step-by-step tutorials in this video, but you can find some of the information in some of my other videos on how to make money online, or you can quickly find out how to use this website to your monetary advantage. Once again, all these ideas are going to require some upfront work and time to really get into it. Especially blogging and YouTube will not get you cash overnight like other ideas you might find to make money online. However, you have more potential to make a lot of money by putting in more effort and time. Remember, you need to put in more to earn more. All right, and that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.